Understanding time, knowing the tools and tricks for measuring time. What does understanding time mean? Have you ever been doing something really fun, like playing your video game, and before you know it, a lot of time has passed? Sometimes time seems to fly. You may know about clocks and timers and calendars, but how much do you know about time and how it works? Sometimes it is hard to tell how much time is passing or guess how long something will take. Luckily, there are strategies to help. Understanding time means learning about tools and tricks to measure time. Time can trick us sometimes, and so we need to use tools like clocks and calendars to measure it. We can also use time metaphors to estimate or guess how much time has passed or how long something will take. Then we can manage our time and meet our goals. What happens when you don't understand time? If we don't understand time, we may not have the time we need to get important things done. For example, what if you need to clean your room before your friend comes over? Before you clean your room, you decide to watch TV for just a little while. Before you know it, your friend is coming in 20 minutes, and your room is a disaster. Now you have to rush to clean your room, or you won't be able to have any fun with your friend. When we run out of time, we feel hurried and stressed, and then we may not have enough time to do something we really want to do. How does understanding time help? Knowing the tools and tricks of time helps us to measure how much time has passed and be better at guessing how long something will take. We can make sure we get everything done that needs to be done, and then we have enough time left to do what we want to do. Who knows, we may even have spare time left over to do more fun things. Wouldn't you like to know the tools and tricks of time so you can better manage your time and meet your goals? In this unit, you will learn how time can trick you and how to use tools and time metaphors to better understand the passing of time and guess how long things will take. This will help you manage your time so you can meet your goals and have time for those things you really want to do.